I think you would agree that there's no doubt there's money to be made in buying, selling, and using digital tools to make money online. There are a few marketplaces out there, or a few places where you can do these things, where you can buy digital software, where you can sell digital software, where you can also be an affiliate for these digital softwares and or trainings around how to use these softwares. Two we're going to look at today. Right here, we're looking at WarriorPlus and we're looking at AppSumo. Straight away, we have top products over on the marketplace, WarriorPlus. And you can see the top 10 here. You can also see that this marketplace is helping you find, and it says here, looking for products to help you with your online business. This is the place. You can search by vendor, keywords, and more. Over at AppSumo, they have a listing of what's hot. This is basically their top products that are being promoted right now by them, because both AppSumo and WarriorPlus have their own promotion mechanism. They build lists. They build people that are interested in these types of products, and they promote those products on your behalf as a vendor, meaning if you create a product and you want to sell it on WarriorPlus or AppSumo, they will both promote, and also they have affiliate programs built into each marketplace where you can find affiliates, or they'll find affiliates for you, meaning you can promote your own product or get people to join you in promoting your own product, or you can just post it on the marketplace, either WarriorPlus or AppSumo. And through the affiliate tools on both AppSumo and WarriorPlus, which we're going to take a look at, they will find you affiliates, or affiliates will find you through the mechanisms that they put in place to help you as a vendor or as a creator of software and or training to sell your digital tools and products. We'll start with WarriorPlus. We'll start also with buying products. If you are a consumer, if you're looking to buy a product and you come here to the top 10 and you simply click the number one product, it takes you over to the sales page, and then you can read some of the sales page. You've also seen some of my reviews for products that are typically sold on WarriorPlus, and they typically have this same type of start your own content and voice over agency in 3 simple steps, or this same type of headline on all the products. They typically follow the same pattern, and they follow suit with what's hot and what's working to the specific type of audience that is typically a more shiny object seeker or a person that is new to make money online. And this type of sales page, step 1, log into members area. Step 2, just enter a keyword or upload your old voice, text, file, etc. And step 3, let GPT-4 technology generate your unique high quality content and create the content that you can then use as you keep scrolling down through here to earn, as you see here, screenshots that portray results. Whether or not these results are real or can be validated, that's a little bit up in the air when it comes to WarriorPlus. Also, they'll have pop-ups like this where they have sort of scarcity mechanisms, I'll just say scarcity mechanisms, again, whether they're real or legit or not. Pop-ups like this so you can get a $3 discount or another countdown timer saying don't miss this offer. Also, as a person or a buyer, when you buy a product on WarriorPlus, how do you get support for a product sold on WarriorPlus? To include refunds, you have to directly contact the vendor, because WarriorPlus makes it very clear that the vendors and the sellers are responsible for all product support, questions, and refunds. WarriorPlus is strictly a middleman that just connects you, the buyer, with the product vendor. You have to get all support and refunds from the vendor. Now, as a person that's going to buy a product, whether you're looking for software or courses or any other type of digital tool, and you come to AppSumo, you'll see here their top products. You can also see that they are broken into categories like stock photos, content marketing, video, media management, customer onboarding. WarriorPlus has this same style of categorizing different types of software, and there are other products other than just the push button make money online products on WarriorPlus. Things like PLR, as well as tools, software tools, and or training to help you in the self-publishing space, specifically inside of KDP. But anyway, the point here is if you were to, again, be a buyer and you were to come here and check out this deposit photos product, you would see here that you don't go to an external sales page. You don't go to a sales page that's overhyped by the vendor. You simply shop right here on AppSumo. So AppSumo in this case is not just a middleman to connect you as the buyer to the product creator or the vendor, or be the affiliate marketplace. It is actually the place that you check out, and they handle all of the transactions. To include, they have their own built-in or baked-in refund policy that you can get directly from AppSumo. Now, you are dealing with the vendor. Once you purchase the product, if you need support, you still have to go to the end product vendor, the creator of the product, or the training to get support. But you can see here what you do in this case, and typically the case is you buy these codes, and then these codes are actually used on the actual product or the vendor's site to open up what they're actually selling, which they lay out all here in their plans and their features, and they also lay out the money back guarantees. You can also see there's some information here from the founders, but there's nothing really overhyped like you saw earlier about step 1, step 2, step 3, because this product deposit photos is letting you know, just like the majority of the other products, when you come back to what's hot here on AppSumo, it tells you what the product is for. Yes, they do marketing in the sense of they are telling you the features and then turning those features into benefits, meaning what you will get out of it if you purchase this deal. And they do have scarcity baked in, but it's real scarcity, meaning that if you buy this product from AppSumo and you cash in on this deal, get these codes, and you will have this special deal up to a certain time. Some of them being lifetime, some of them not. And I'm not going to say that everything that's sold on AppSumo doesn't, at the end of the day, once you buy it, it doesn't deliver on the promises. There have been products that have come on AppSumo, provided a deal, and then that deal fell through. So now let's go back to WarriorPlus and take a look at how to be an affiliate. If you go to the affiliate dashboard, one of the things that I really like about WarriorPlus is the tools that they have for you as an affiliate and for you as a product creator or a vendor. You can see here, you simply come here and you can see all of your sales, everything that's going on, to include your hops and your earnings. And it's also easy as an affiliate to come to offers. And then once you find something you like, you simply come here and you request that offer. And when that offer page pops up, it says here you must be approved by, and it gives the vendor's name. Then you click here to request the approval. You add a note, and based upon your profile on WarriorPlus, the vendor then will deny or accept your ability to promote a product. And then you simply just share your affiliate link in the helpful content that you create. Or if you're running paid traffic inside of an ad, people click, people buy, and it's all controlled inside of what's called the WarriorPlus wallet. That again is all self-contained here inside of WarriorPlus, where they are connecting you, the affiliate, and the vendor together so you can help the vendor make sales and be an affiliate for them, earn a commission, and they actually make sales and they get that power, or they get the ability to utilize the power of building that affiliate army. If you go back over to AppSumo and you scroll down to the bottom, they have affiliates as well, or they have an affiliate program. If you want to become an affiliate program, they tell you the commission structure and what makes an awesome AppSumo affiliate. And if you want to become an AppSumo affiliate, you simply click on the button. It takes you over to impact.com, where here you find out you have to fill out a form to become a Sumo affiliate. And then again, it gives you more information about what's going to happen there, but you have to put in all your company information as well as sign the agreement, then sign up. And then at that point, you'll be taken over to Impact, and that is where you will agree on the details to become an affiliate for AppSumo. And then AppSumo will approve your application, and then you will have access to everything inside of your Impact.com account, which then AppSumo, unlike WarriorPlus, they're not acting as the affiliate marketplace. They are turning that over and adding another layer into the relationship that you are creating with the vendors that post on AppSumo, and you as an affiliate, an AppSumo affiliate, but actually utilizing Impact.com as your affiliate marketplace. It can get a little bit confusing, But at the end of the day, AppSumo has decided to hand this off and let Impact.com do that for them because they have more power, they have the ability and more tools. And it seems to me that AppSumo just figured out that they don't want to do this or they can't do it as well as Impact.com. So they've just outsourced that, if you will, that piece of the puzzle of AppSumo, the affiliate puzzle, the affiliate piece of the AppSumo marketplace has literally just been moved over to Impact.com. So you'll have to go and apply and get permission from AppSumo through Impact.com, and then you'll have all the tools inside of your Impact.com account. Next up is becoming a vendor or selling your own products. To become a vendor, you simply come here and you go into offers. And then once you're inside of offers, inside of the marketplace, you click on new offer and you simply start setting up your offer. They do have some things in here. For example, the public marketplace. If you want to get found on the public marketplace, then you have to get approved, meaning WarriorPlus will double check your sales page, make sure everything is within the parameters, or from a legal standpoint, what they have to cover to make sure that they are covered as the middleman or the marketplace putting or letting you sell the product. But basically you just fill this out, add your sales page URL, add a description and an image, and then set up the pricing. And then you connect the WarriorPlus marketplace to your sales page. And then that allows you to utilize the affiliate tools as well. So you can find affiliates or let WarriorPlus find affiliates for your product. Back over at AppSumo, again, scroll down to the bottom and it says here, sell. If you want to list your own product, you simply come here and they have a list of digital products that you can sell. The same as WarriorPlus, actually, talking about digital products, software, PDFs, online courses. You simply press that yellow button. It takes you over to sell on AppSumo. You click and you start filling out the basics of your product. And you'll see that this is very similar to what we just saw over on WarriorPlus. What is your product called? Your support email? What is your listing? Is it software? Is it courses and learning, templates, other creative resources? Then you can throw your pitch in here, upload an image, and add your website URL or where you actually sell your product. Because typically what you're doing when you are partnering with AppSumo is you have a traditional, or you already have a product where you set up a traditional sales page and you have a traditional software company, or you're selling your course and then you want to post it on AppSumo to partner with them in their partner portal and set up a special deal. So there you go, a quick rundown of how to get rich using WarriorPlus or AppSumo to buy digital products that you can use in your own business. My recommendation and my thought on this is that AppSumo is going to be the place for most people in the make money online space to actually set up and run your business. You're going to find products there that are more in line with what you want to do long term to set up and operate your business. But like I said, WarriorPlus, other than the get rich quick push button, make money online nonsense software that they do sell, they do have some good vendors with some good training. And they also have some good vendors in different niches. For example, in the self-publishing space, particularly for KDP and printables, and Etsy, where they create products and training that you can buy on WarriorPlus and get some really good deals from some really good people supporting their training and their products. Take this information, take a look at AppSumo, take a look at WarriorPlus, take a look at what you need in your business. For example, a tool that you need to run your business or to operate as an affiliate marketer, if that is your business, then recommending good products on WarriorPlus or AppSumo, as long as it's a good product and it is supported by the vendor, I don't have a problem with either one of them. If you want to sell your product, in my opinion, you need to look at what AppSumo is and the type of audience that it attracts versus what WarriorPlus is and the type of audience that it attracts. And to do that, take a look at the products that sell, take a look at the reviews of the products that sell, and then take a look at the product itself. Buy the product, review the product, use the product, and then figure it out for your own. Also, you'll find products that are sold on AppSumo sometimes have been sold on marketplaces like WarriorPlus or JVZoo or ClickBank, some of the places where people think that only junk is sold. It's usually not the case, but the problem is sometimes you look at it and you go, one bad apple spoils the whole bunch. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Any questions about WarriorPlus, AppSumo, products that you see for sale on there. If you want to be an affiliate or set up your own product to sell it, I'd love to hear what you think and what you're doing in the comments. If this video is helpful, of course, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.